Hey, what's up everybody? It is Dave, and this is my 2013 Thor Ace 27.1 motorhome that we just bought, new to us. And I am a ham radio operator, Kilo Lima 4, Lima Sierra, and was looking for an option to where I could have my ham radio in here. So that's what I'm going to show you. I just bought some stuff, and I want to show you what my plan is. Stand by. Alright, so this is what I bought after some recommendations off of the Thor motorhome Facebook page, or I should say group, not the actual Thor page. But so I got a TRAM model 1911. So this is a dual band, so 2 meter and 70 centimeter amateur dual band glass mount, and it's pre-tuned. So as you can see there, we got 2.5 decibels of gain for VHF, and 4.5 for UHF. And it looks like it is a 28.5-inch whip, and will hold up to 50 watts of power. And then it comes with 17 foot of RG558/U low loss precision coax cable. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. Alright, so what we have here first is the antenna whip itself. A little sideways there, and then it comes with the alcohol prep pad, comes with the radial whip that gets hooked onto it. There's our coax that it comes with, standard connection. I think I've got some adapters for the radio that I want to use it on. So this is the piece that will go on the outside of the motorhome glass, and then this is the piece that will go on the inside that will connect to the coax. The radio that I'm going to use it on most likely is my Baofeng UV5R. It is only a 5-watt radio, but I'm just going to be using it here in Alaska and off of the repeater, so shouldn't have too much of an issue with that. So it does come with this little installation guide here on how to do it. Got your parts list, so the antenna whip, the antenna base, coupling box connector, cable, tuning tool. That's interesting, since it said pre-tuned. So tuning tool and radial whip. So we will get this a separate video. We'll do the install and let you guys know what we think about it after we get back from our trip to Palmer, Alaska. So we're in Fairbanks and we're going to make a trip to Palmer in our coach. So that is the unboxing of our TRAM model 1191. I got guns on my mind, I guess. 1191 glass mounted antenna. This way I don't have to drill any holes or do any crazy stuff. So stay tuned for more.